Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a near price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And looking at near on the daily chart, we're looking here at three waves toward the upside and our impulse, finishing a wave A or a wave W, meaning we are in A B and a C toward the upside, or a W X and a Y. In that case scenario, of course, if you have finished a W or way, you would like to see three corrective waves, where we have here probably three waves down as A, B, and a C as an impulse, of course, toward the downside, finishing a wave B or a wave X. Now, in this both a bullish scenario, you would like to see, of course, higher prices with a wave C or a wave Y. In this case, we are looking here probably at a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, of course, finishing an impulse toward the upside. It can be, of course, in both case scenario, A, B, C for a Y in WXY, where you want to finish a zigzag here. Or it can be, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for higher prices in a wave C, of course, for a regular flat. Now, in the bearish scenario, of course, that you did not, of course, finish this correction yet, and this is only the first leg of your correction. So probably this can be, of course, a wave A in the red scenario, where you are looking, of course, for bearish here, and three waves corrective toward the upside. This, of course, can be turned into a B, and a C as a zigzag, of course, and for wave B, and then wave C toward the downside. Your wave C, of course, should be impulsive for 5 waves down. It could be an impulse without the wave 4 that it reaches wave 1, or it can be a contracting ending diagonal. And reaching, of course, the 1.618, taken into consideration that this is a 1, 2 here, and then 3, 4, and a 5. And that because here you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of like a leading diagonal toward the downside, finishing a wave 1. And you're looking here at an A, B, and a C, of course, due to the massive overlapping here with all the waves. Of course, there is nothing impulsive about it. So we're looking probably here at wave A, B, and a C, finished, of course, for your wave 2 in the orange scenario, where you would like, of course, to have much more lower prices, probably, of course, to see a finished wave C in the red scenario, of course. And as you can see, after this correction, we saw, of course, lower prices. Here we go. And if we take a look closer on it, we can see that this is, might be a very clear impulse, where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished the wave 1. Of course, A, and then a B, and then C or WXY. Finished here, of course, for your wave 1, 2, and then continuation toward the downside. If we are impulsive already from this part here as a 1 and 2, you would like, of course, to reach probably lower prices. So if we take the fib level here, we have reached so far the 0.5 fib level. It might be also not enough yet, even as a correction here after this wave 1, A, B, and a C. It still might be looking, of course, for to finish this wave 2. But probably you want to finish, kind of like if this turns and 3 waves down and 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably hitting between the perfect levels for a wave 2. So I'm gonna keep this also as a reminder. So probably that we still have to catch after a wave 2 here, this one in the white scenario, where you have a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 in case you are bullish. In case we are bullish from here, it is a little bit hard to say that we are bullish from here, and that because, of course, of the overlapping here, unless we take it, of course, as expanding diagonal, which is the most rare case scenario where you see an expanding diagonal unfolding as a wave 1. But yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So far, if this is an impulse toward the upside anyway, and this is a 111 here, which is a little bit low possibility, especially that we are losing momentum with longer wave 2s and deeper wave 2 again. We have hit so far the 0.618, so we would like to move toward the upside. Now, basically, if we get a little bit insights here, what it might happen on near with KGT, we can see, of course, we are in a buy signal. We are looking for higher On the 5-minute chart, we got, of course, some divergence, and as you can see, very high prices moving toward the upside. But also we have a convergence that it has played as well toward the downside. Now we are looking currently at a very clear divergence and with bullish signals where we can see, of course, very clear divergence. Let's see the accumulation. We can see, okay, here we go. We see some green starting on this candle or on this signal. So we might see, of course, a little bit higher prices, but yeah, we're gonna have to check if we're gonna take the high or not. So in case we take the high here, I would suggest, yeah, this is very possible a 1-2, all right? And then we have to consider this part of correction, of course, yeah, that it has belonged to this correction as a wave 2 again, yeah? Or even another possibility, it can be in that case, if we move higher, guys, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finished wave 1, A, B, C for wave 2, and then again 1, 2, and then moving toward the upside. So that it could be a second possible scenario for higher prices. For now, we're looking for higher, but we would like, of course, to move impulsively. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 waves down, continuation toward the upside. This is your very bullish scenario. Next level taking the high, and of course, moving to the target, which is 1-to-1 fib level, $20 for near. That was it for near. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. If you're interested in KGT, of course, you can find all the details in the description below. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.